How exactly can we get Gemini break time equals 0.5s absolutely free of charge for 30 days? Well, there's a very simple method, and I'll put the link in the very first comment for you. With this method, you can get a 30-day account for free. But now, this account is suitable for people who have a business. Although anyone is capable of using it, break time equals 0.5s/. With this specific method, we effectively become part of a specialized subgroup or team. Break time equals 0.5s/. The way to get it is that immediately after you have accessed the provided link, break time equals 0.5s/. You click on the start option, and then the system will prompt you to provide a valid email address. At this particular point in the process, you need to enter your email address. So make sure to provide your email in this section. Okay, once you've entered your email, if you get an error, refresh the website and it will then ask you to enter your name. At this point, you enter your name and log into the system. Break time equals 0.5s/. So here we have received Gemini for free and you can use its free features. Break time equals 0.5s/, including, for example, the ability to create a profile picture for yourself.